Today I'm going to show you how to print hidden text in Word step by step so you can make sure any hidden content in your document actually appears on paper. This is really useful if you've been working with notes, draft text, or formatting that you don't normally want visible on screen, but you do want included in the final printout. If this helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the top left corner of the window. Click File, then choose Options. This opens the Word Options menu where you can control different display and printing settings for your document. Once the Word Options window appears, look at the panel on the left and click Display. This section controls how Word shows your document on screen and how certain elements behave when you print. Now scroll down until you find the Printing Options area. Inside Printing Options, look for the checkbox labeled Print Hidden Text. This is the key setting that tells Word to include hidden text when you send a document to your printer. Click the box to turn it on. If the box is checked, Word will print hidden text along with the rest of your document. After that, click OK to save your changes and close the options window. Now, your setting is enabled and any hidden text in the document should be included when you print. If you want to double check, go ahead and open your document, then use Print Preview before printing. That way you can confirm the hidden text is showing up the way you want. If you ever need to stop printing hidden text later, just come back to File, Options, Display, and uncheck the same box. That makes it easy to switch the setting on and off depending on what you're working on. And that's it. You've now learned how to print hidden text in Word. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.